two, one, go! Johnny, sing everyone. Ayan, sabay-sabay natin sabihin, happy birthday, Clark! 3, 2, 1, happy birthday, Clark! Let's go!
Jolly birthday to you. May your wishes come true. Make your mommy and your daddy oh so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you. May your dreams happen too. This Jolly Bee Kitty Party was made just for you.
Thank you so much! Ready? Team, happy! Are you ready? Jonathan Tower starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Bobo ng tower! Dance like Jonathan! Ayan, ibabalik na ang tower. Nauna ang ating team, happy! Para sa team, happy! Sa ating kids, lahat po sila mga ate ay bibigyan natin ng ready? Parang mahina. Parinig na ang team work. Then, Jolly Adam. Hot dog. Dito naman. Wait! Ocho! Bobo mo ng cover. Hindi po. Thank you so much, ma'am. Baka may message na para kay Clark.
Clark, sana lumaki kang mabuting bata and makikinig ka sa parents mo. God bless all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations. Ayan, dahil nandito na si Jollibee. Sabay-sabay na. And of course, sabay-sabay natin welcome ang ating birthday celebrant. So, let's si Daddy. Dito po tayo mamaya, Daddy. Sa natin 3, 2, 1. First wish. Clark? Lapit ka daw, Clark. Yan, Clark. Sabi ni Jollibee, sana daw ikaw ay lumaking malakas at malusog, na malusog, na malusog, na malusog. And of course, para naman sa second wish, sabay-sabay natin sabihin second wish in 3, 2, 1. Second wish. Clark, sabi ni Jollibee, sana daw ikaw ay lumaking sa pag-iisip. At para naman sa third, sabay-sabay ating sabihin third wish in 3, 2, 1. Third wish. Clark, sabi ni Jollibee, sana daw ikaw ay lumaking madasalin at may dapat sa Diyos. Palakpakan naman natin si Jollibee para sa kanyang 3 birthday wishes. At balita ko, Jollibee, hindi lang birthday wish ang dala mo para kay Clark. Dahil meron kang dala birthday gift. Ang liit naman ng Jollibee. Ano ba naman nun? Dahil meron kang dala ang gift. Sige, pakita mo na. Kaya naman, Jollibee, ibigay mo na. Wow! Ano kaya ang laman ng regalo ni Jollibee para kay Clark? Clark, buksan mo na. Uy, ano yun? Ano? Walang ganon. Ha? Wow! Okay po, pwede po natin yan buksan, Mommy and Daddy, para makita po ng ating mga bisita ang regalo ni Jollibee. Wow! Clark! Meron ka! Jollibee Love! Palakpakan naman na si Jollibee. Thanks si Jollibee para sa iyong birthday wish and birthday gift. Jollibee, mali. Mali. Mali mo. Mali. Okay. And syempre, hindi lang birthday gift at birthday wish ang dala ni Jollibee para kay Clark at para sa ating lahat. Kaya naman,
Jolly birthday to you, may your wishes come true. Make your mommy and your daddy all so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you, may your dreams happen too. This jolly weekend party was made just for you.
and now, mas masayaman!
Jolly birthday to you.
Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! And now, Lord, blow your candle. Blow. Blow. And of course, hindi.